NB Commercial is a co-applicant with Clyde's Restaurants on a site that's about 6 acres. Clyde's has about 2 acres, we have about 4 acres, and we're right at the intersection of 123 and Route 7. In October of this year, we're anticipating our hearing dates with the Planning Commission and the Board of Supervisors, hopefully to go through the political process to get an approval for the rezoning of that 6 acres, approximately 6 acres, into a development that could have between 1.5 million square feet and 2 million square feet, located right at the metro station. So we're right at the Greensboro metro stop, and on our 4-acre site we have the flexibility to do 2 office buildings, a hotel, and a residential building, or an office building, 2 residential buildings, and a hotel. Included in all that is about 120,000 feet of retail, which is a lot of restaurants, and hopefully a very small food store. And then all that's sitting over a parking garage of 3 to 4 levels, so we have underground parking, as well as some parking that's up in the buildings themselves. When we are done, we hope to have a place, literally that you can live, work, shop, and then with health clubs, play. We have a central park that we call the Piazza, and then we have this really cool space that's called the Sky Park, which is up above the Metro Plaza, and we'll be redeveloping the Metro Plaza into an area for outdoor entertainment and outdoor restaurant seating. Our Metro Plaza initially will have about 6,000 people anticipated the day the Metro opens, and then as people adopt or adapt to metro commuting, they expect to be between 16,000 and 17,000 people a day. And that metro station is where people get off to walk up the hill to the Greensboro Drive office market, which today is about 5 million square feet of office space. So it'll be a very busy metro station, and then we'll be adding, amenities to that area. So as you get off of Metro, before we actually develop our project, we'll have pop-up retail so people can stop for coffee and food in the morning and food shopping on the way home, because we don't expect to be developing buildings on our site probably until late 2015 or 2016.